Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Han, and today we are going to look at the changes that needs to be done in order to accept ycash with btcpay. So we have seen in the previous videos how to do the same with zcash, but there are a few small changes that needs to be done if you want to accept ycash. The primary reason why there's a difference is because ycash does not have the same breadth in support from exchanges. Therefore, there's no source of market price that we can reliably use in btcpay server for ycash. So for this reason, you can't accept USD or normal currency and have the system convert this into the price into ycash or YEC on the fly. What you can do instead is to accept YEC directly, so you can list the prices of your items in YEC. Therefore, there would not be any conversion needed. So to do so, when you go to your store, so I'm gonna log in my WooCommerce website, and you can see that I have a few more plugins than before. So I have the btcpay for WooCommerce plugin as I had with zcash, but I have also a couple of new ones. I have, well, this one, flexible checkout fields, is because for most of the cases you will not have to ask for a shipping address because you are selling something downloadable. So with this particular plugin, you can edit and remove some of the default fields, and disable some of the default fields, and add your own custom fields when the customer checks out. The real one we want to look at, is this one, custom currency for WooCommerce. This allows you to add your own custom currency. So you can then go to the currency page and define a custom currency code, custom currency label, and symbol. So these three things here. And once you have done this, you can choose that custom currency from the drop down here. So once you have done that, now your products will be specified in that currency for 5 YEC here. There's another change that needs to be done though. It's in the source code of this plugin, btcpay for WooCommerce. There's actually a bug. I hope that they will find it and fix it soon. What you need to do until then is to manually change one file. So the plugins, and we're talking about btcpay for WooCommerce. The file we want to change is this one. So I have already made the change, so it's right here. Before we had BitPay currency. It should be replaced by BitPay currency unrestricted. And it's a bit strange because actually at another place they are using the proper class. So if you look for currency, the easiest way is to look for currency. You will see that one time they use currency unrestricted, and the next time they use currency only. So you have to change that to currency unrestricted. The meaning behind that is currency unrestricted will include custom currencies. So include the one that the plugin does not know about, and that you have added yourself. Other than that, the other two changes is regarding the btcpay server and btcpay wallet. So the other thing you need to change is in the Docker Compose file. You will see that the image required for BTCP is btcp-ycash instead of just btcp. And for the wallet, it's ycash wallet D instead of zcash wallet D. but these are the only changes you need to make.